Airport operations demand safety and efficiency, but integrating ground support equipment poses challenges. The C.A.R.E kit, the Cybernet Autonomous Retrofit Equipment Kit, reduces the cost of GSE by ensuring accident-free operation in all weather conditions. Retrofitted onto baggage and tow tractors, it uses advanced cameras and LiDAR sensors to detect and avoid obstacles. Built on the collision avoidance system, the proprietary software collaborates with human operators to prioritize safety and prevent collisions by avoiding the aircraft safety envelope. The advanced monitoring interface allows operators to oversee multiple vehicles in real time and provides proactive intervention, ensuring smooth operations. Developed by Cybernet Systems Incorporated, with support from Fort Brand Services, Toyota Tsusho America Incorporated, the Michigan Economic Development Corporation, and the Detroit Region Aerotropolis, the C.A.R.E kit paves the way for improved safety and autonomy.